The Gligolef Shipunov Gryazev GShG 7.62 is four-barreled rotary machine gun designed in the Soviet Union, similar to firearms such as the M134 minigun. It is a gas-operated, self-powered weapon, which is in contrast with most other rotary guns, that are usually externally powered. It was developed in 1968-1970 for the Mi-24 helicopter together with Yak B12.7mm machine gun, and is currently used in GUV 8700 gun pods, and flexible mounts on Kamov Ka-29. Users: Afghanistan, Soviet Union, Russian Federation. Shipunov GShG 7.62 minigun. Type Gatling type rotary cannon. Place of origin Soviet Union. Service history. In service 1970 present. Used by Russia, Warsaw Pact. Wars Cold War. Production history. Designer KBP Instrument Design Bureau. Designed 1968-1970. Manufacturer KBP Instrument Design Bureau. Produced 1970 present. Specifications. Weight 18.50 kilograms. Length 800 millimeters. Cartridge 7.62 x 54 mmR. Caliber 7.62 millimeters. Barrels 4. Action gas operated. Rate of fire 3,500 or 6,000 rpm. Muzzle velocity 828 m/s. Maximum firing range 1000 m.
Please subscribe and thanks for watching.